LegalZoom Registered Agent Service App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Registered Agent Service app is designed to simplify one of the essential steps of running a business, but most people get this wrong when they assume a registered agent is optional. The surprising truth is that every US, LC or corporation needs a registered agent to receive legal documents, official notices and service of process. One major pro is convenience. LegalZoom acts as your official point of contact, handling government notices and legal papers so you don't have to track them yourself. This is especially useful for entrepreneurs who travel frequently or operate multiple businesses. For instance, if a legal summons or state compliance notice arrives, LegalZoom receives it and alerts you promptly, helping you avoid missed deadlines or penalties. Another advantage is reliability. LegalZoom is a well-known provider with a secure system for tracking documents and forwarding important notifications. This can give business owners peace of mind that critical legal information won't be lost or overlooked. However, there are cons. The service comes with an annual fee, which may feel unnecessary for very small businesses or sole proprietors who prefer to act as their own registered agent. Additionally, LegalZoom is a third-party service, so some owners may prefer a local registered agent to maintain a personal connection with state filings. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Registered Agent Service app is an excellent choice for business owners seeking convenience, reliability, and compliance assurance. While it adds a small cost, it saves time and reduces risk. For those managing multiple entities or who travel often, the service can be a real game changer, ensuring critical documents never slip through the cracks.